Till the early 90s, gold was a currency of the world. And now we have seen the rise of digital currencies, virtual currencies, and of course cryptocurrencies. But what are these and why is it gaining so much of traction? Let's find out.
Hello guys, this is Shweta and welcome to the world of Wall Street Mojo.
To understand the difference between digital, virtual and cryptocurrency, you'll first need to know what they are. So what are digital currencies? Earlier, we made all payments in cash. You will give the other person banknotes or coins if you buy anything from them. What a task, right? To keep cash with ourselves wherever we went. But now our lives have got easier. We don't have to carry cash and pay in cash all the time. We have digital currencies that have made storing and transferring money easier. Digital money is the same as banknotes and coins but stored in your bank account or digital payments wallet. You don't need to withdraw this money if you want to spend the money. The process is done by just transferring the money to the other person. Now, isn't that easy, quick and convenient? So this was digital currency. Now what about virtual currency? What are virtual currencies? If digital currency is normally stored digitally, then virtual currency is a different type of money that is also stored digitally and you can transfer it to others. So here is a catch with virtual currency. You see, with traditional currency, you would store that in your bank account, right? So the money is regulated by financial institutions. But with virtual currencies, there is no financial institution that are involved. Instead, you would store your money in a secure digital wallet. Virtual currency are created by people and used by them. You might now ask, how much would a virtual currency be worth? Good question. And to answer it, a virtual currency can be worth anything. Since banks do not issue virtual currencies, it does not have any value assigned to them, like $10, $100, etc. That's why virtual currencies get their value from what people perceive their value. I know this might be a bit confusing, and so here is an example of a virtual currency, Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin is a virtual currency and I hope it clarifies everything to you now. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are virtual currencies created by people on blockchain technology. It is a decentralized currency that has no third party involved. So if you want to send money to someone, you don't need to send it through banks now. Instead, you can transfer some cryptocurrencies to the person and make the transaction. In the transaction, only you and the receiver of the cryptocurrency are involved. No banks or financial institutions are there in the middle to see what you are transferring, how much you are transferring, to whom you are transferring, etc. It's completely decentralized. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin are all cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have recently been on an unprecedented rise. There has been mass adoption of cryptocurrencies. As a result, businesses everywhere are trying to become crypto-friendly, showing that the world is accepting this form of payment. So we learned about digital currency, virtual currency, and even cryptocurrency. Let's connect the dots between them. So first came normal physical money, the plain and simple give and take of notes or coins to carry out transactions. Then came digital currency. Money is stored digitally in bank accounts and transferred digitally too. But then the world realized, why to have money in the bank? Why not make the entire thing decentralized and not let the banks have control? Hence, virtual currency came into the picture. People can send virtual currencies to each other and be the only parties to the transaction, not having any intermediary. Cryptocurrencies are virtual currencies only built on blockchain technology to make the entire process very secure. So this was all about various currencies that have been rising lately. We hope you learned a lot from this video and like the video. Comment your thoughts on cryptocurrencies and share the video with others. Hope you find this video useful. Please do like and share. If you have any feedback or want to suggest a topic for any future videos, do share in the comment section. We come up with interesting videos on finance and accounting topics regularly. So subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and get a notification when we release new videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.